Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher and my website is called Art Projects for Kids. I've created a new drawing video to show you how to draw the White House. It's a beautiful building with lots of details, but I can help you simplify them so they're easy to draw. Let me show you how. Before you begin, gather your art supplies of pencil, marker, and crayons. My drawing paper already has grid lines printed on it, which you can see here. A PDF grid template is included in my free tutorial download. Before you begin to draw, it's helpful to mark the center of your paper. This grid is 12 boxes wide, so I'm making a bottom and top mark 6 boxes across. Step number 1. Draw a horizon line that is 1 box up from the bottom of the paper. Now draw 2 lines that go up 4 boxes and connect at the top. Step number 2. Draw 3 dots at the top for a triangle. Connect them with straight lines. And add a narrow ledge below that triangle. Step number 3. For the roof, add 2 small edges at the sides. Draw a half box up and draw a straight horizontal line across. Step number 4. To draw the columns that go under the ledge, draw the right one first. It does need to be kind of skinny, less than half the width of that box, to make room for the windows that are going to go there in a moment. Now draw the same size column all the way on the left. Then add 2 more columns, each the same width. You should end up with a little extra space in the center. Now you can make those columns look a little extra fancy by adding some round shapes at the top. Step number 5, it's time to draw some windows. Draw one on the right side. It's 1 box tall and rather narrow, and lines go inside as you see here. Then draw another window the same size all the way on the left side. Draw another window the same size in the very center of the building. Now draw 3 more windows on the right side. And then 3 more windows on the left side. Step number 6. Draw a door in the center with a window and a half circle above it. Now a matching row of windows needs to be added underneath that top row. They will all line up with the windows above them. Draw 4 on the right side, and then 4 windows on the left side. All of those bottom windows now get a little triangle top on them. Step number 7. Now add some details on the top of the building. Start with 4 squares, 2 on each side. Then add some rectangle caps on top of them. The center triangle gets another triangle added inside. Step number 8. To give the roof line some detail, draw little sets of vertical lines across the top. To finish, add a small flag on top. A few little wavy lines will make it look like it's blowing in the wind. Step number 9, it's time to trace. Slowly go over the pencil lines with a good black marker. And please don't worry if you have any wobbles. They can actually make your picture look a little more hand-drawn, which only adds to the charm. Okay, for a drawing that is going to be left white, like this house, it's extra important to erase any extra pencil lines that might still be showing. You don't want them to detract from your drawing. And finally, it's time to color, which is pretty simple in this case. The grass needs to be green. If you do press hard enough, it will help cover up any of those light grid lines. And the sky is blue, of course. Pressing hard here too will make those grid lines go away. And lastly, just a little dark blue and red for the flag. Now, if you'd like, you can add a soft shadow with one of those light gray crayons. I'm going to add some here and there. It's a pretty subtle color, but it can make your drawing a little more interesting if you press really hard. And there it is, my finished White House drawing. You know, that grid really helped me keep things looking nice and square. I hope you get a chance to try it out too. I hope you've enjoyed this White House tutorial video, and I'm really glad you joined me today. Please check out my website, Art Projects for Kids. It has more step-by-step tutorials like this one, including how to draw the Capitol and how to draw the Statue of Liberty. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.